In this video, we can see how to install Visual Studio Code, and after installation we can check Node.js installed or not in my own laptop. So then how can we start? First install the Node.js installer. Open. It takes some time. Visual Studio Code is preparing for to install. Accept the license agreement. Click on next, and I want to change to customize my own path. Installer folder and click on next. Yes, Visual Studio Code. Create a desktop icon. Click check and next and install. It's preparing for to install. It's creating some problem. We can again try. Open, accept the license agreement and click on next. This time we can make the C drive folder and Visual Studio Code. Click on desktop icon and click on next and install. Yeah, must be asking for default location for. Yeah, Visual Studio installed, and now it finish. Start the Visual Studio. Here is install. Start. It's default asking for to set the theme and copilot. After we can set up. First create the file index.js. Cancel we now this time. No postman, no allow. Here is go for terminal. Open the new terminal. Here is the terminal is open. Now it's a fresh install Visual Studio Code. So it's take the some time. Here is showing the path C drive users and Ramesh. Now write the node -v. Here is show the version of the Node.js version 22 version. Thanks guys.